How to add your Twitter on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your Twitter on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here just click the 3 points here in the bottom corner and then just go down and here you will find settings. Just click on it and after you click on settings here you will find account info. Just click on it and now go down until you find this one Twitter and here just add your Twitter username and save it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.